Oh wow, hey, come on in. We are getting ready to leave. So I'm actually having brunch with a few of my friends before my flight, which works out pretty well for time. Like, we're having a pretty early brunch. It's actually like more like breakfast. And then I'm gonna head straight to the airport. Okay, I've just arrived at Baffi and Mo at Redfern for like a super quick brunch with my friends before I head to the airport. My flight's at 1:50, so I'm gonna try and get there at around like 12:30, just so that there's more time to budget for unexpected occurrences. But yeah, I've got a very, very basic item. I got the avo on toast with eggs. Something that I can definitely make at home, but like, that's what I feel like right now, so. Oh, I also got a coffee. My friends just let me try their baked eggs, and I have food envy right now. If you do come here, you should order their baked eggs, as opposed to their smashed avo on toast. That is so yummy. Okay, we also got, well, I didn't get it. My friends got pancakes, and I have taken some as well. These pancakes are so good as well. You guys chose the best stuff. Alright, I'm just waiting for my Uber to arrive. It says 1 minute. Thank you so much. Thank you. Alright, just dropped off my bags and I think we can pretty much head in. We're pretty good for time. It's currently 12:30 and my flight doesn't leave for another 1 hour and 15 minutes, so we've got some time to just chill for a bit. So, I'm going to be heading to the Gold Coast today. We're going to be going there for a few days, and it's been a long time since I've been back at the Gold Coast. Like, I think the last time I went, I was probably 7 or 8. So it's been a long while. And I'm excited to go explore and check out different places. And I also have a special guest joining me on this trip. You'll find out exactly who very, very shortly. My flight boards in about half an hour, so I'm gonna make the most of the time that I have right now. Okay, so I've just gotten to my seats. My seat is a window seat, except there's actually no window right next to me, so I'll try my best to get shots of the plane lifting off right there. This is like the only seat on the plane that's a window seat without a window. So sad. It is currently 5 to 3. I've just arrived at Gold Coast Airport. I'm waiting for my special guest to arrive. So Gold Coast is an hour behind Sydney, and the flight was about an hour and a half. And I slept through the entire flight. So I'm glad that my windowless window seat was only for an hour, because otherwise I'd be pretty sad to not be able to look out at all. Because I feel like with airplane seats, like you either get the aisle seat so you can like walk about whenever you want, or you get the window seat so that you can like see the view. Having a windowless window seat in a 3-seater is like the worst of both worlds. Right now it's just the waiting game. I'm just waiting for... You spotted me before I spotted you. I was gonna come up to you and be like, hello, hello, hello. Just waiting for transport. Oh wow, hey, come on in.
Thank you.
So, sorry, I have an assistant today, so let me show you this room tour. As we walk in, there's this huge corridor coming in, and then we see this massive room. Which side do you want to sleep on? How about you sleep on the couch? How about you sleep on the couch? I will have the bed tonight. Perfect. And then we've got this couch that will be Eunice's bed tonight. You know, you've got quite a few pillows, so that's great. And then it's...
You sleep on that.
and then there is a little table, which is perfect. Like, you know, when you're having a nap or when you're sleeping, you can have a quick snack right at the table. So very easy access. I'll show you all the, what do you call this?
The minibar.
I'll show you the minibar in just a sec. We won't be eating anything from the minibar, of course, but I'm always curious to see like what's in there. But before I show you that, let me show you the balcony. Ta-da! Wow, 好重啊.
You don't go to the
Look at this view. Just like, oh wait, come back to me, come back to me. Just wake up in the morning, fresh. But I haven't shown you the coolest part of this room. Follow me. Okay, let's close this door before the flies come in. All right, do you think I could be a real estate agent? No. Oh. Look at this bathroom, look at this bathtub. I called my dad earlier and I was like, look at this bathtub. And he was like, oh, this is like a massive pot. I reckon this bathtub, you can probably fit like 4 people. 3.
Probably 3.
Yeah. They're bath salts as well, like provided. This is the shower. We have just a pretty standard.
My favorite place.
Okay, and that's pretty much it. That was the room tour. What would you give it out of 10?
Your room tour or like the room itself? The room itself, 10 out of 10 or 12 out of 10. Your room tour, a solid 6.5.
Oh, still a pass. Okay, I'm gonna show you the minibar now. All right, guys. This is the teas that we get. Come here, come here, come here. Earl Grey, Gen matcha, herbal tea, and Aussie breakfast. And look at how beautiful these cups are. Chocolate and cashew nuts. Ooh, look at this. All the different spirits. How much are these? Yeah. We won't be drinking from the minibar. Oh, they've already pre-mixed it, right? Like the Negroni, Manhattan, old-fashioned. Oh, that's like, wow, that's a small kettle, very cute. And then the food.
There's no food.
Hammer?
It's just drinks.
Got beer, champers, wine, Red Bull, etc., etc. And that concludes the room tour. We're just gonna unpack everything, and then I think we're gonna go and get some food. For dinner tonight, we are trying a restaurant that my sister found. So if it's great, well done. And if it's not, I'm just gonna blame her. Okay, we've just arrived at a place called Maggie Choo. This is like an Asian fusion place, and oh, our candle just went out. And we've got a lot of food. We've got cheeseburger spring rolls, we've got a pork belly dish, we've got a curry, we've got a papaya salad, we've got a roti. The way that they've decorated this place, it's quite nice. And then like I'm just looking out onto the road, and I can people watch. Now we're just waiting for the food to come. I am getting so hungry. Okay, this is the papaya salad. There are, I think, like one chili on the menu. We asked for no chili. It's still a little bit spicy, but it's very fresh and very fragrant. Having said that, this is very petite. It's a very petite size. We each got a spoonful, and that's pretty much it. Really? How is it?
Go away.
Really strong?
Bit strong. You think that's strong?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
No?
That is not strong at all.
What do you mean? My first sip was like bang in my face. This is exactly like a cheeseburger, except there's like a crunchy spring roll exterior. Yeah. Okay, so the mains have just arrived. We've got a Penang duck curry. I wasn't expecting it to look like this. It's like an entire duck leg. And then they have bits of, is it ricotta? They have bits of ricotta in the Penang curry as well. This actually came with 3 chilies, but we asked them for no chili. We've also got a pork belly. Yeah. And it's got like apple slices on it. And we've also got a roti as well. How's the roti? Let's try the duck Penang curry. It's quite creamy, peanutty, and it's still got a little bit of kick. It's still got a little bit of a kick, even though we asked for no chili. The duck is quite tender, actually. All right, we are just done with dinner. We're walking back to the hotel now. It was not bad. I think it's great for like a night out kind of meal. The Sydney equivalent of what this reminds me of is like chin chin. Anyway, thank you so much for watching till the end. That's it for today's vlog. I post new videos every Monday to Friday in December, so check them out if you have time. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video very, very shortly. Bye. Okay, we're walking in the dark, and this is what I've made my sister do. She's walking with my iPhone and then shining a torch.